Hey Future Trucker, Jonathan here, founder of Groundmen Academy, and in today's video we're going to be asking the question, do groundmen need CDL licenses? But before you ask the question, you have to understand what is a groundman. So it's almost the opposite of a lineman. Linemen are the guys up in the skies working on the telephone poles and the electrical cords going above our heads. Groundmen work on the ground itself with the same type of utilities. They're also a support for the linemen, which means their job is to get the job site ready, to move equipment around, and so on and so forth. The average pay for a lineman is anywhere from $42,000 to about $68,000 before overtime, and depending on the part of the country that you're in, depends on how much overtime is actually going to be available for you. However, if you want to upgrade that salary, getting a CDL license might be one of the smartest things you're going to do as a groundman. Just to be a groundman by itself, it does not require that you have a CDL license, but is it going to put you above everyone else? 100%. Utility companies are always looking for new groundmen to kind of get started, and now if they're deciding between you, who has a CDL license, and somebody who does not have a CDL license, you're going to get hired 10 times out of 10 every single time. So if you're serious about your job, what type of license do you want to get? Do you want to go for CDL Class A or CDL Class B? If you want to go for the best of the best, go for the CDL Class A. That gives you the ability to drive everything underneath the sun. However, the minimum requirements to really drive the types of vehicles that you're going to be used to, which are going to be things like bucket trucks, are going to be the CDL Class B license. The CDL Class B license is going to give you the ability to drive any vehicle that is rated to weigh more than 26,000 pounds and has no trailer. However, if you do have a trailer, maybe you are tagging along like an air compressor or something like that, the trailer has to weigh less than 10,000 pounds. But however, if you want to go for a CDL Class A, you could drive vehicles like this, which is like a bucket truck that can tag along a big digger or a backhoe on this equipment trailer behind it itself. In this case, the vehicle weighs more than 26,000 pounds and the trailer weighs more than 10,000 pounds. So you might be thinking, why is it important to get a CDL license if all I wanted to be is a groundman? Well, one, it's going to increase your hireability rate. With a CDL license, you become a super hot commodity. Two, because you have your license, you become a lot more utilized in this field, which means now you don't have to do so much of the digging work. You can actually be in charge of moving the equipment around, and you actually have a higher status. And number three, people with CDL licenses traditionally make more money than people without CDL licenses, simply because you're actually doing more things than somebody who does not. So if you want to set yourself up for success, or maybe become a lineman in the future, getting a CDL license would be a smart strategic path to do so. So if I've sold you on getting a CDL license, now what's the next step? Step number one, go to the best CDL school in the country, which is us here at Groundmen Academy. We have locations nationwide, and all you got to do is check out our website, cdlgroundmenacademy.com, to find a location near you. Step number two, we'll help you pass a few different written exams to get yourself a CDL permit. And step number three, you're going to have to pass a 2.5-hour long road test, and we'll help you out throughout that entire process. Now, once you've gone through all three of those steps, at that point, you will then get yourself a CDL license, you'll continue on your career, and you will officially be on the road to freedom. That's our mission, to help 1 million people just like you get themselves on the road to freedom. But I know what you might be thinking. One, I don't have the money. Two, I don't have the time. I'm working full-time as a groundman now, but what time do I have to actually get a CDL license? Well, thing number one you have to understand is we're open up 7 days a week, which means unless you're working 7 days a week, you can come to our training facility and we can train you on a part-time basis. And two, we'll make sure that you have the money. $500 down is all you need to get started, and we can work out an interest-free payment plan for the rest. And we also offer corporate training rates as well. Maybe you work for a company and a group of you want to get trained all at the same time. Have your company give us a call and we can work out a special rate for you as well, or potentially we can even go to your facility and train you on your specific vehicles. So what are you waiting for? Check out our website, cdlgroundmenacademy.com. Find a location near you, and we're here to help you get on the road to freedom today.
If you want to get your CDL, Groundmen Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldragacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.